Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we will go over how to subscribe to your courses on SMCMBA.com and how to access your course materials. Please note though, subscribing for your courses on SMCMBA is not the same as registering for your course on Gale Express. There are additional tutorials explaining this difference under Getting Started. Alright, so let's begin. Every quarter, you will need to subscribe to your courses on SMCMBA. To see the full course list, you will click All Courses. You can access this course list in two places, here in the main menu and here on the homepage slide set. Let's take a look. Here we can see all the courses currently on SMCMBA. To narrow down your search, use the drop-down menu on the top right to filter by program. For this example, I'll subscribe to a hybrid course, so I'll choose a filter accordingly. Now that we are looking at a specific program, it should be easier to find what we are looking for. Once you find your course, to subscribe you will first click its name. To demonstrate, I will be subscribing to a sample course. The first time you enter a course, you will see a subscribe button. Click that button to subscribe. Once you've done that, you will see an on-screen confirmation. Please note, once you subscribe to a course, you cannot unsubscribe yourself. To be removed from a course, contact your professor or the professor of that course, or contact us at service@smcmba.com. Now that we are subscribed to this course, we can view the contents. Right now we are on the course homepage where we can see the welcome letter. On the top right is the course menu. The most important page, however, is under the documents icon. Here you can see all the course materials that the professor has posted. The structure of this page will vary depending on your course, but every course will have the syllabus posted here 2 weeks before your class starts. Other features your course may use are the links page, Dropbox, and discussion board. But again, this will vary based on your professor. So now that we have gone over the basics of your online course, let's go back to the home page. Since we are subscribed to a course, we can access it through My Courses, either from the main menu or the homepage slide set. The My Courses page gives you an easy list of the courses you have already subscribed to. Here we can see the sample course that we entered earlier. This offers a shortcut to the course homepage you wish to access. Alright, that covers the basics for subscribing to and accessing your course materials. Thanks for watching.